The stock market opens at 9 a.m. in Japan. I check my portfolio every morning. The market is rising sharply today. Futures are pointing to a higher open. The index has been trending upward for 3 weeks. I have been investing in stocks since 2020. The index has reached a new all-time high. The stock dropped 5% yesterday. The earnings report will be released next week. I am going to buy more shares if the price drops. The market will likely be volatile tomorrow. By the time the news breaks, the stock will have already moved. You should diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Investors must do their own research before buying. A stop-loss order can protect you from large losses. The Fed might raise interest rates next month. You should not invest money you cannot afford to lose. I would rather hold cash than buy at the top. I wish I had sold the stock before it crashed. Tech stocks are more volatile than utility stocks. This ETF has the lowest expense ratio in its category. The more diversified your portfolio, the less risk you take. Growth stocks tend to outperform during low interest rate periods. If interest rates rise, bond prices will fall. If the earnings beat expectations, the stock will likely surge. If I had more capital, I would invest in real estate. Unless the company improves its margins, the stock may underperform. As long as earnings grow, the stock should continue to rise. The dividend was increased by 10% last quarter. The stock was downgraded by 3 major analysts. A buyback of 500 billion yen was announced yesterday. The market was caught off guard by the rate decision. The company, which reported record profits, saw its stock rise. Investors who buy during a dip often see good returns. The reason the stock fell is that guidance was weak. This is the level where buyers have stepped in before. The sector that benefited most was semiconductors. Timing the market is nearly impossible for most investors. Many investors use ETFs to reduce individual stock risk. In order to beat the market, you need a consistent strategy. Avoid making emotional decisions when the market is volatile. Many retail investors keep buying even when the market drops. Despite the sell-off, the company's fundamentals remain strong. The stock fell due to disappointing earnings guidance. Not only did the company raise its dividend, but it also announced a buyback. Both technical and fundamental analysis are important for trading. The stock was so oversold that a rebound was widely expected. It is said that the trend is your friend in trading. The analyst said that the stock was fairly valued. Unexpected news can make the market move sharply in either direction.